Let's talk about fixing a shoulder by rebuilding it backwards.
This is a biomechanical game changer for so many people.
The rotator cuff muscles just can't hold the joint stable anymore.
Without that support, the joint basically degrades. This leads to arthritis and a serious loss of function.
It's called pseudo paralysis. The engine's running, but the transmission is totally shot.
The solution? You have to completely re-engineer the joint. This is really clever engineering.
It's called reverse shoulder arthroplasty. You literally flip the ball and socket.
Look at the difference here. You can really see that mechanical shift from the natural shoulder to the new one.
So why do this? It's all about letting the big deltoid muscle take over the heavy lifting. Does it actually work? One huge study looked at 266 shoulders to find out.
And the data's pretty clear. Big improvements, especially with pain and how high patients could lift their arm.
The bottom line? Most patients get a shoulder that's not only pain-free, but actually works again.
The results are great, for sure. But is it actually worth it?
So this reverse procedure becomes the go-to when a first repair fails or if it's just not going to work.
And its success is pushing boundaries. Let's check out a couple of really incredible next-level cases.
Deltoid muscle is key. He called his new shoulder very functional and was living pain-free. Just a huge win for his life.
So, what's the takeaway here? It's a brilliant engineering fix for a really complex problem.